Hi, Terry.
Hi there, how are you doing?
Good. Well, I think it's been quite some time we saw each other.
Yeah, sorry, been in the middle of a major relocation, so just set up again now.
Oh, cool. Yeah, I think you mentioned that like a few weeks ago. Put that over.
Oh, I'm still catching up, so I don't have any particular agenda today.
Yeah, actually, yeah, I put two topics there for the meeting on 22nd, which was cancelled. It was, yeah, they're just, few like a quick question like with those two items.
Good morning.
Morning.
Hello.
How are you today or tonight? What time is it for you? Where are you?
Oh, I'm now in
Sweden.
France.
No, you're
France.
in France. Yeah.
Oh, you are not on an island anymore.
No,
Oh, yeah. Okay. So same time zone then, Central European time.
yeah,
Yeah. So 5 p.m. for us.
Wait, you're not on Jersey anymore?
no.
Oh, now where are you?
I'm currently in Normandy.
Ah, I am told that is a pretty part of the world.
It certainly seems to be. And you're looking impressively color coordinated today.
Ah, yes. It's International Women's Day, and our company encouraged all of us to wear purple shirts. And my kids, a couple of weeks ago, they've been after me about all my gray hair. So we had some fun. But yes, unfortunately, the hair is a little bit more pink than purple now. It's been washing out. Okay, let's see. One moment. How has everybody been? It feels like it's been a bit.
Yep,
Things are good. Yeah. We have been busy with the CDCon, GitOpsCon schedule, or not just schedule, proposals and everything. And we are nearing the completion of it. And the program looks pretty good, actually. Tomorrow,
Excellent.
we hope that it goes live, the schedule.
Oh, wait, hang on. Sorry, I'm trying to get the notes up. Running behind today. What else should we talk about? Fatih, did you have a topic you wanted to?
Yeah, I added those two topics there simply to get your, ideas around like what to do with like supply chain maturity metrics and next steps of CD for mainframe collaboration. So during one of the SIG software supply chain meetings, we discussed like what is the roadmap for the SIG and so on. And there's a pull request for that. Actually, you can take a look at it. I can put the link there. One of the things is to continue improving the supply chain maturity metrics there. But at the moment, David Benry, he moved that information document to GitHub. So I was asking the question to him as well, like, what is your opinion about what to do with this document, how we can improve its visibility? And he mentioned that maybe that information in the document could be incorporated to best practices website. So I just want to, bring that to your attention, like how it can be incorporated or if it can be incorporated one way or the other. And if you say, yeah, it fits there, then I can bring that topic to the SIG software supply chain meeting and say, this is where we can bring this information and so on.
You said
Yeah,
there's
so
a
that
pull
was the
request?
original discussion with them, was to encourage them to do this in a format that could be published as a resource within the best practices site.
This was the doc that he was talking about a couple months ago, Terry?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Wait, and Fatih, you said there was a,
Yeah.
oh, it was over there. Sorry, I was
Yeah,
looking in the wrong repo.
Yeah, it's now turned into a markdown, and it's currently in the SIG software supply chain repo. So I don't know what you mean, Terry, when you say if it is converted to a format to be published on best practice, like will it be split according to chapters you have there, or could it go under software supply chain security heading?
It was originally a Google Doc.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
now it's in Markdown, it's easy enough to pull over.
Yeah, I mean, the original discussion was to put it in the resources section as a white paper.
Okay. Can you post the
So-
link?
To what, this markdown file?
Yeah.
It's on the meeting HackMD document, actually.
Oh, sorry. I'm switching.
So-
Look, there it is. Okay.
Yeah, that was my question to David, actually. Like, I asked him, like, do you want this to be turned into a white paper? And then he said, like, we can incorporate this to best practice website. So what I can do, actually, I can talk with the LF Creative Service to put it in some kind of PDF, it makes sense. And then we can put it on best practice website and promote it.
Does it need to be?
saying,
Well, I guess if it's a PDF, it can be downloaded. That's kind of the
Yeah.
main benefit, right? Or maybe it could be both. Like we would have a markdown and a link to a downloadable PDF,
Yeah,
because then it's searchable on the site.
yeah.
Okay. Well, I can move it. I have some time today. I can move it over. Unless Terry, you want to. And then if you want to get a PDF, we can bring that in as well.
Yeah, PDF. The reason why I asked PDF, because I was talking to a few people and they like having PDF so they can download the PDF and read them offline while flying or something. So that's
Right.
kind of where they are coming from. So we can enable people so they can read it whatever way they like to read.
Yep.
Okay, I can go back to supply chain SIG and tell them and David the markdown format will be incorporated to best practice sites, and we will talk with LF team to create a PDF for it.
Good. Download. Okay.
And the other topic is similar, actually. Like, we had that meeting with a few people from Open Mainframe community, like SUSE, Broadcom, and I on purpose didn't do anything because I want to hear your opinion first, like the way forward with this. Like, should we, I think there was some kind of consensus around writing some kind of white paper, perhaps, to call people for action. If that still makes sense, I can start a thread and say, here is a document, Google Doc or whatever, and let's start writing something up there. I can talk with John Mertich as well. He works with Open Mainframe to get his help on that side to get people's attention.
Yeah. So obviously that's not going to be something that we can drive because we haven't got enough background in that field. So they're going to have to get involved to produce some content that we can incorporate.
So I'm just focused, take the lead in bringing info and CDF, put incorporate CD aspects or something like that.
Yeah, so we can help them to format it and put it in the right places and things like that. But really we need an introduction to that whole field that we can include on the site, and then incorporate white papers on any techniques.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, these were the two quick questions I had in my mind. So I will go and start talking to people and say things they are good to go, and we need your help to bring some info from your side, and we will contribute on the way. And for the supply chain maturity thing, then I can talk with LF. So that was all from me.
I'm looking at this, Terry, David's doc, and I'm thinking this would be a really great opportunity to also get it tagged up, because we haven't had a chance to play with that a ton. Just as far as presentation through this, which was another nice reason to have both Markdown and PDF for these papers, so we get the cross-linking.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. I'd be down to play with this.
Now we'll probably need to take a look at some of the content on that to make sure that we're using consistent terminology, and we haven't got that usual reversal of terms going on.
Okay. I'll drop a note for David. I'll create a new PR so we can just have it editable in the site repo. And I'll give David a ping just to let him know I did that, and then we can start reviewing. The only other thing I had, and I didn't have a chance to add it to the agenda, I had tried to incorporate our best practices site into the Get Localized ecosystem, which would allow us to have localizations, and they support open source for free. For some reason it's not working, and I haven't been able to figure out why. I know that's not a super critical thing, but it had been asked for, so I'm still poking on it when I get a chance, just as a heads up. So.
Cool. So what you said, Terry, going back to supply chain, so I need to wait then until after you check the terminology and so on before we send it to creative team for PDF creation, because they don't like going back and forth
Right.
when the text gets updated.
Yeah, so let's do this as a get a finalized document onto the site, and then once we've got that, then we can just take an image of that and PDF it.
Okay,
that sounds good.
Cool, great.
Anything else? Otherwise, we can go ahead and start working on this.
By the way, CD-Vans adoption started, like Jenkins plugin today is writing that. I don't know if you heard that. And then Spinnaker has an RFC, so that makes me happy, because it's been years we have been doing work in this. So just an update from that side of the world.
Nice. That's good to hear.
Yeah.
All right. Well, I'm going to go make a PR. Thank you, Fatih.
So,
and
thanks a lot.
I look forward to getting your new house demo, Terry. So get your videos.
Yeah.
Bye.